In this video, we'll see the delicious recipe of Sooji kebabs, crispy on the outside and perfectly soft inside. So first thing, we need to boil 1 cup of water. To the water, add 1 teaspoon butter. I'm using salted butter from Amul. You can use your homemade ghar ka makhan also for this. Now bring this water to a boil. Then gradually add half cup Sooji or Rava. It's very fine and you need to continuously stir this mixture, otherwise you'll get lumps. Cook this mixture on medium flame until it thickens just like upma or halwa. Then transfer the Sooji into a bowl. Now let this mixture cool down or let this come to room temperature or become slightly warm. Then add half cup rice flour or chawal ka aata. If you do not have this, you can make your own at home using a mixer grinder. Now add half cup besan. Mix this. So I'm not going to completely mix this because later we're going to add more ingredients. So just mix it slightly. Now add half cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup fresh coriander, 1/4 cup boiled green peas, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. You can also grate the ginger and use. Green chilli as per your taste. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin or jeera, 2 tablespoons sesame or til, some salt as per taste. Now give everything a very good mix and make a dough out of this. You should be able to make kebabs. So this looks perfect. This dough is ready. Now we are going to make kebabs out of this. So grease your hand with your palms with some oil and also the plate on which you will be keeping the kebabs. Take a small portion and give the kebab its shape. I'm going to make long slender kebabs. If you want, you can make flat, round. You can use your cookie cutter or be innovative with the shapes. But remember, do not make the kebabs very big. Otherwise, while frying, it would be quite difficult to make sure that the inside is cooked well. So medium sized or small sized kebab would be better. So the kebabs are ready. You do not need to refrigerate these, but yes, if you want to store these, you can store this in your freezer for up to 2 weeks. Now let's fry these. So you need to heat the oil between low to medium flame. So make sure you keep frying this kebab for a long time so that it is fried well and becomes crispy from the outside. Don't keep the flame very high. Just like samosa or kachori, this needs to be fried for a longer time. So be patient with it. So my one batch is fried. Now I'm going to fry the next batch. All our kebabs are ready and they are fried. I'll show you one. See how nice and crispy it is from the outside. So this kebab will give you a perfect crunch on the outside and its smooth and soft texture from the inside is just out of this world. This recipe is easy. All the ingredients are easily available and as I mentioned, you can make your rice flour at home. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.